Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix Instagram follow request problem on your iPhone. For example, if you try to follow on Instagram on someone and you see an error related to that, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply go back, and here you have to go to general, and in general you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on that, and here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply open the app store here. So in the app store you have to simply search for the Instagram app, and if here you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. So if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Instagram app, and after updating the Instagram app you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the Instagram app and try to check whether you will be able to follow anyone or not. If the problem is still there, then you can simply report that problem to Instagram team. For this, you have to simply click on three lines here, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of help, and here you have to simply click on that, and here you have to click on report a problem, and after that you have to simply click on report problem without checking, and after that you have to click on include and continue. And here what you have to do, you have to simply explain the problem to Instagram team, that what is the problem with you. Moreover, you can also attach the screenshot of the problem, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply go back. Now you have to simply click on submit, and your report will be submitted to Instagram team, and after that they will connect to you and solve the problem for you as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video, and get more videos like these you can subscribe our channel.